Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Tecno 6 Neo and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. To add it, open Settings application, scroll and look for your system function where we have accessibility and their magnification. Now we must turn on our shortcut by switch on, confirm by got it, and we have our shortcut of magnification. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers and swiping with it on screen. You can zoom on or zoom out using this feature or go up and down. You can also turn off your parental shortcut magnification using tapping on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.